Many users encounter frustrating login issues when trying to access Meta Business Suite. These problems have become increasingly common, especially with recent platform changes and enhanced security measures. Meta Business Suite serves as the central hub for managing Facebook and Instagram business accounts. Users must authenticate through their personal Facebook or Instagram accounts to gain access to business tools and advertising features. Understanding the account hierarchy is crucial for troubleshooting login issues. Access flows from your personal Facebook account through Business Manager to finally reach Business Suite. Problems at any level can block your access. Meta has implemented significant changes to Business Suite throughout 2024. These include major interface updates, stricter security protocols, and mandatory two-factor authentication for accounts managing substantial advertising budgets. Two-factor authentication has become mandatory for many business accounts. Users must verify their identity through text messages, email codes, or authenticator apps. This added security layer, while protective, can cause login delays and complications. Browser compatibility remains a significant source of login problems. Outdated browsers, especially older versions of Safari and Internet Explorer, often fail to load the authentication interface properly. Browser extensions and cached data can also interfere with the login process. Different permission levels within Business Suite can affect login access. Admin, editor, and analyst roles each have specific authentication requirements and access limitations that can impact the login experience. Understanding these common causes of Meta Business Suite login issues is the first step toward resolving them. Whether it's platform updates, security enhancements, browser problems, or permission conflicts, identifying the root cause helps determine the appropriate solution. When you're locked out of Meta Business Suite, start with these immediate solutions that resolve most login issues quickly and effectively. First, clear your browser's cache, cookies, and stored passwords. This eliminates corrupted data that often prevents successful logins. Next, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy extensions. These often interfere with Meta's authentication process. Try incognito or private browsing mode to eliminate conflicts. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version, and verify you have a stable internet connection. If immediate solutions don't work, try these intermediate troubleshooting steps that address authentication and account-specific issues. Reset your Facebook password, not just the Business Suite password. Meta Business Suite uses your main Facebook account credentials for authentication. Verify your two-factor authentication settings. Ensure your authenticator apps are synchronized and backup codes are accessible. Check your account status for policy violations or restrictions. Meta may temporarily limit access if they detect unusual activity or policy violations. For persistent issues, these advanced solutions address deeper account problems that may require Meta's direct intervention or business verification updates. Update your business verification documents if they're outdated or incomplete. Meta requires current business information for account access. If all else fails, appeal account restrictions through Meta's official channels or contact Meta Business Support if you're a paying advertiser. Document your issue clearly and be patient with the review process.